Good evening, Jets and Germs, and everyone else. Today I will be explaining how Excel can let you be lazy, more lazy. Let's say you have an equation that you need to do over and over again for lots of different pieces of data. Let's say you're trying to do value A plus value B, all of that times C and minus D. And for the lols, let's put that in and divide it by K. So you could go into your normal calculator one by one, or you could put it use the gloriousness of Excel. Control X to cut or move cells around. That becomes very interesting later on. So let's put first set of data. Okay, so here we go. So to start a equation, what you do is an equals, and then instead of typing each value out, my voice you copy the equation, except instead of A, you click on the cell, and then might need another bracket, and then this plus this, and then a bracket to close it, times this minus this. Ooh, that's gonna cause some good. Oh no, my brain's just nope. I'm there, and there you have your answer. So when does a cool bit come? It automatically updates. You can put in this, and it stays. The issue is, if you take a cell, let's say you have a big value here and you don't want to retype it. If you go cut, Control X, and paste, it says, this doesn't exist. What do I do? And it will destroy everything. So don't do that. But you can copy it and then delete it, and then anyway, that's different. So let's say you need to do you need to save the numbers that you use 3 times. Instead of typing it out, you can control click, drag it down. That's because there's nothing. If you're, say, not going out and finding data, to pretend, go random, not African countries, currency, anyway, set the values, and this is what a formula is, which is same as in column G, but this is a set thing. So this will give you a random number. Press the control key down, find that little plus, drag it along. Did not know that. And then you can drag it down till you're up to where you are. And that gives you 9 values. Let's make it 10 values. Let's say you want to number these. So this is piece 1. If you just drag down, it'll give you lots of 1s, which can be useful, or you can press control down and 10 numbers. So there's 10 pieces of data, 10 thingies. Let's say now you want to find average. Whoops. Should we type it in? Average. Click the cell, and instead of going comma, 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 which is the splitting thing, and you can see where which bit you're up to. If you put a dot dot and go to the last cell you want, which is there, and close the bracket, and you have the average. Of course it updates, but if you put in real numbers, you'd get real things. Control down, got all of them. Average, you can do this for median, median, and if you go Control Shift and then left, or if you want to go down, down, it will go to the last number, which is fun until you go pew all the way down the bottom. But don't click there, you'll crash your computer, probably. You can try me if you want. So you close the bracket, median, drag it all down, median, 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 and you can keep doing that for lots of things. Let's say you want these are prices. So you can where'd it go? Get rid of the decimals. Select, right click, insert, column. Let's say these are days. So instead of, so on day 1, something was 17. B. So you could do day 1 over and over again, or you could set out a formula. I realized I said function at the start. So if you're showing text, you press the little that thing and do day. This will not change if you drag it down. If you want to put, so we want day 1, day 2, day 3. So you put a, not that one, an @ symbol and select the cell. This will mean that it will change. It'll take that cell. So putting us for the looks, and now if you do the control, it will take the next cell and it will keep doing that. And if you don't want it to keep changing, select, copy, paste, what was that? Go to text. So this will mean there's no formula, it won't change. So you can move it around without it trying to look for the next cell. And voila! And if you're doing a lot of numbers, that can save a lot of time. So, yep, I think that's all for today. If you figure this out, if you have any extra things, challenges, problems, post them below. I'll figure them out. I'll probably go on to other cool things, and eventually I'll do just whatever I discover. See you guys. Boosh.